Okay, come, children. The time now is 7:31 already. I wasted 1 minute talking. Hey, hi, Danish. What's up, children? All right, so children, come. Let's go into our quadratic equation again. All right, so today our focus is on these two questions, which is actually from the previous week worksheet. All right, from the previous week worksheet. Then after that, we'll be going into the sketching of the graph. All right, so today there's a lot to cover. Let's try to start the lesson. Is that okay? All right, and yeah, let's try to practice now. All right, a bit. Okay, come, children, let's take a look at this question. Don't wait, Eddie. All right, so we have Tim and Max took part in a 21-kilometer half marathon. Tim ran at a constant speed of b kilometer per hour throughout the half marathon. So Tim is being consistent b kilometer throughout. After running at a constant speed of b kilometer for 4 after running at a constant speed of b kilometer per hour for 4 kilometer, this is max. This is max. All right, this portion is max. Max reduced his speed by 2 kilometer and then ran the remaining distance. Write down an expression in terms of b for the time taken by max. Children, are you focused? Bro, my sis doesn't want to leave the room. What do you mean? Jocelyn, your sis is in the room? That's okay, what? Why let's share lah? That's okay. She's in the same room as me. Why leh? No. All right. Hey, sisters are fun. Brothers are fun. Yeah, okay. And annoying me. That's what sisters do, children. Yeah, okay, sorry. All right. She thinks I'm funny. Oh my goodness. Okay, come, children. So as you can see, there are two lines, right? The red line and the blue line. So the blue line is talking about max, and our focus today is on max. Are you okay? Okay? Okay. So down here, take a look. It is a 21-kilometer race, so the total distance, right? Total distance is equal to 21 kilometer. Ayah, how come people come in one at a time? Can't you all come in all at a time? Okay, that's Jian Hao. Okay, so look. So for the first 4 kilometer, right? For the first 4 kilometer, what happened? We know that Max was running at a speed of b kilometer per hour. And the remaining, right? What's the remaining, children? So can you see? No, I'm trying to break down the information. All right, the remaining will be 21 kilometer minus 4 kilometer. Children, those who are late, this question is from the last week's lesson. All right, worksheet number 2, question 4 and 5. We'll finish that first before going into the graph sketching. Is that okay? Okay, today got no Kahoot, sorry. To be honest, let me tell you frankly, there's no time lah, children. Right, there's no time. Where got time for Kahoot? My goodness, their sketching will drain out half my life already, I tell you. And Jian Hao, drink your Coke. Drink some coffee. All right. Right, 17 kilometer will be the remaining journey. And the speed, right, according to what they say, will be what? 2 kilometer per hour reduced. Reduced by 2 kilometer per hour. So it's b minus 2. Hey, can you please focus down here first? Can? All right. So what's next? What's next? You are supposed to write down an expression in terms of b for the time taken. Oh, remember the DST triangle? Don't suck thumb. Sorry. Distance, speed, time. All right, and the question is looking for something called time here. Time is equal to what? Distance over speed. So the distance, there's first part is 4 kilometer. The speed is b. This will give you hours. The second portion, time is equal to what? Distance over speed. Distance is 17 over the speed is b minus 2. This part will be hours. So you're supposed to find the time taken, right, to complete the entire thing. So it's basically 4 over b plus 17 over b minus 2. And this is in terms of hour. And this will be your answer. Woo! 4 over b plus 17 over b minus 2. Can or not, children? Caitlin, you think got so many from SVSS, there's only one render in the entire world, meh? Yeah, our render down here might be different, okay? Right, our render down here might be from, I don't know. some powerful school you also don't know. Anyway, what is CVSS? I also don't know what is CVSS there. What's CVSS? Oh, campus view. Okay, okay. It's in Punggol area, is it? Okay, I see. Yeah, who knows? Our render is in some of the, atas school you also don't know. Yeah. All right, children. All right. So moving on. This is the time taken. This is the time taken in hours. Okay, come, next portion. Oh, you see, Natalie and Jian Hao is on screen again. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, the rest? Anyone else? Come on, Caitlin, show your face. Larissa, come on. Nico. Okay, carry on lesson. Carry on lesson. It's okay, Nico. Maybe you're eating, right? You eating the KFC. You can be part of some advertisement like that. You know, must be finger licking good. For example, oh my goodness. Okay, come part B. Given that team is what? Completed the half marathon in 25 minutes 30 seconds earlier than max. Right, so we are talking about the time. Time is earlier. So can we go and find what is team time? Wow, team's time. All right, so time is equal to what? Distance over speed again. Distance, he ran 21 kilometer, constant speed of B kilometer per hour. All right, so team time is 21 over B hour. This is team time. Okay? And just now we have max time. All right, max time is 4 over B. So we have max time. Max time is equal to 4 over B plus what? Forgot already. Old man syndrome. 17B over 2. 17B minus 2. All right, hours. Hey, children, can you see something or not? Can you see something? Can you see that both of these, right, are in hours? And this one here is in minute and second. Watch. Trap. Yes, you are right. It's a trap. So this 25 minutes, 30 seconds, right, you have to change it to hour. Can? All right. So 25 minutes, 30 seconds. How do you change it to hours? So there's this 30-second portion first. Can I say that 25 minutes, right, 30 seconds is equal to 25.5 minutes? Do you understand? Why is it 25.5? Because 30 seconds is actually half of a minute. 30 seconds is half of a minute. And half means what? Half means 0.5 minute. Do you understand or not? So 25 minutes, 30 seconds is 25.5 minutes. All right. But the question down here is talking about hours. Okay. So from hours to minute, right, is a times 60. Minute to hour, is a divide by 60. So you have to use your own initiative to change your 25.5 minutes to divide by 60 to give you the hours so that you can make a fair comparison. So this is the trap that many people fall into. 17 over 40. This is the trap that many people fall into. So please be careful. Yes, 0.5 is 30 seconds. Correct. 0.5 minute render to be more precise. All right. 0.5 minute is 30 seconds. You are right. All right. So in order to change it to hours, why? Because the rest are the rest are all in hours, you see. So you have to compare hours. So what happened? Given that team completed the race earlier than max, so it means that max, right? It means that max took more time, right? Max took more time. Right? Max took more time. Right? Just like me and maybe Jocelyn. Right? I quite fat one. So when I run, right, I run slower than Jocelyn. So I need more time. Means that, for example, I take 30 minutes. But Jocelyn only take 25 minutes. Understand or not? So because I am slower, I need more time. So max is the slower one. He needs more time. So we have to take max, which is 4 over B plus 17 over B minus 2. Right, max is the slower one. Minus who? Minus the team's time, which is 21 over B. To give you the difference of what? 17 over 40. Can you understand? Jocelyn, don't bluff. I don't believe. All right. So again, right, you have to be understandable. You must know what the numbers means. This one is max required time. This is team requires time. And the difference between them is 17 over 40 hours. Who is slower? Max is slower. Max is slower, Max got more time. You need a more time minus a less time to give you the difference. So that's how you start off by coming up with all this equation. Right, and from down here, you are supposed to slowly give me the b squared minus 2b minus 80 is equal to 0. Okay, are you ready? All right, so can we do the, what should we do? Can we do the, some of you, I think you all still like the combine the fractions, right? Okay lah, let me do this part. So this portion, right, I purposely combine the 3 fractions together. So what is the common multiple? There's b, yes, and there's also b minus 2. So both you have to take. So the very first fraction, 4 over b, what are you short of? I already got a b below. I need to multiply by b minus 2 on top. The second fraction, the 17 over b minus 2. What do I need? I already got a b minus 2. I need the b alone. Next, minus 21. I already got the b. I need the b minus 2. So I put the b minus 2 on top. Can you see or not? So if you want to make this into a single fraction, you can use this method, no problem, go ahead. Right, but if you are fast, you can actually use the what? Multiply by the LCM throughout. Right, but I think you all don't like, so never mind. Let me continue with this. So you expand carefully and properly. 4b minus 8 plus 17b minus 21b. Careful. Minus belongs to 21. Minus 21 times minus 2 plus 42. The whole thing over b times b, b squared minus 2b is equal to 17 over 40. Okay, simplify a bit. 4b plus 17b, 21b. Oh, 21b minus 21b, no more. Very good. 4b plus 17b is 21b. 21b minus 21b, no more. Minus 8 plus 42. What is minus 8 plus 42? 42 minus 8 is 34. Sorry, I get excited easily. 34 over b squared minus 2b is equal to 17 over 40. Oh yeah, this one very zoteng, sorry. Zoteng means a very extra, take up space. All right, so down here, what do you see? You see a single fraction. You do a cross multiplication. All right, let me do it up here. So you have 17 times b squared minus 2b is equal to 40 times 34. All right, you can actually bring the times 17 across so that your b squared minus 2b left here. Times 17 you bring across will give you a divide by 17. Do you know that? So if you press your calculator, what do you get? So you don't have to times it in. You take 40 times 34, divide by 17. Woohoo! 80. Nice. Bring the 80 to the other side, will give you a b squared minus 2b minus 80 equal to 0. Must write the word 使用. Can you see now? It's very fun. If it's correct, right, it will be correct one time. Very nicely done. Can you see that? Right, so children, this type of question, you have to be super careful, all right? Because the units are in hours, you have to compare fairly. So you have to trouble yourself, convert the 25 minutes, 30 seconds to what? To hours. If not, cannot compare. Then you have to decide who is the slow, who is the fast, and eventually who minus who to give you the difference. And from down there, you have to use your algebraic skills to get rid of the fraction to show it to becomes b squared minus 2b minus 18. All right, this type of question, very standard one, very standard. And children, this type of question comes out in the exam, definitely. I can put my head, on it. Sure come out one for your final year exam. For your O levels, sure come out one question. And one question can be easily 12 marks. I promise you, can be 12 marks one. All right, so this is a sure come out, sure can score topic. So please don't mess it up. I was going to use the word the S one, but don't mess it up. Can we have a 5 to 10 minutes break around 8:20? Cannot lah, Larissa, I got no time already. Why do you need a 5 to 10 minutes break? Why do you need to do a survey? Okay, you must give me a good reason. Because I cannot have break one. I think that 1.5 hours is not enough. So I was trying to tell the